Brought a shovel. Still sees it. I'd have fun getting out of there. I just should have brought a shovel.
You know what? Went back to the house, grabbed a shovel. We're all set. Now, I may wish I had some like max tracks here in a bit, but I'm gonna go back out there and I want to do the full loop. Reminder: this is where we got the old 2010 Forester with the Grabber HT2 stuck about 2 years ago. It took me about 45 minutes to scoop it out, so got a better shovel this time, and I guess we'll just see where it goes. Better tires, higher lift, so hopefully we don't get stuck. I don't know, man. I'm walking through here, and this stuff's pretty hard, like the last stuff, and it looks pretty deep down there. I may be getting stuck. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna put the camera here, and this is a hill from the bottom view. I'm gonna put the zoom on here so you guys get a little zoom, and we're gonna be coming around from what is your right. And let me put this up a little bit. Actually, it's gonna be from your right, turning that corner and just barreling up this hill. So we'll see if we can make it.
We made that.
I had it pinned. I'm gonna turn the. Let me turn the 2X off here. I had that thing pinned to the floor. We came around that corner and understeered pretty good, and I wasn't sure I'd be able to get enough momentum to get through there, but made it about a quarter way up that hill, and just kind of kept progressively adding throttle. And by the time I got about a quarter of the way up, it was to the floor. The wheels were spinning fast enough. X mode turned off, but VDC was still off. So that allows a bit more wheel spin, which is good because we definitely needed it. So I kind of want to walk back down there and just like see how deep that was, because that was nuts. There was like 2, maybe 3 times there where it like slowed down to the point where I was like, As I walked down here, I just watched that video of coming up the hill back on my phone. It's pretty funny. Sounds like it doesn't sound as bad as the Honda, I'll give it that. That Honda we used to have, that Element, sound like a lawnmower. This thing sounds like a mad leaf blower, maybe. I don't know. It's still a little 4-cylinder. You get a little of that box rumble. Oh yeah, this is fun. Let me turn the camera on here, show you guys the tracks. This is the top up there, obviously. Still got some dirt kicking up. This stuff here is pretty deep. Oh yeah. Oh man. Look at my foot. Okay, so there's my foot. About up to there, about middle of my shin. So that's definitely over a foot deep. So it's like we were dragging here on the bottom a little bit. So definitely hitting that skid plate. Again, that skid plate's at about 11, I want to say 11 and a half, maybe around, not quite a foot. So, oh yeah, this is back here. All this stuff's filled in too, you know, you're spinning tire and kicking that stuff. So don't know if I want to do this again. I don't think I'm going to. That's pretty cool. Check that out. This spot here is bad. This spot here drifted and that spot drifted, so fun stuff. Woo! Just hike back up that hill. Let's get it going. I think we've pushed her a lot as far as we can for today without getting a buddy to come out here and do this with me. So I have a potential tow friend. See you guys next time.